Testing. Can you guys hear me now? It's weird. It defaulted to the default microphone. If you guys can hear me now, that's weird. Wonder why I did that. Don't know why I did that. That's weird. All right. Anyhow, it looks like I'm going to be lucky number, bam, 13. Let's get it. Lucky number 13 in the house. Hey, Spaces, what's up? I'm debating on. We do got a 9 count right there. Do I want to go ahead and hit this? I'm a little scared I might regret it. Let's look at that 30-minute chart before I make my decision. All right, here's a 4-hour chart. Yeah, we came down almost at that point of control. Almost is not good enough. From a structure, we already retested it, actually. Retested it right there on that candle. Huh. I don't know. I don't see any news. I don't see any big news out right now. Hey, Paul, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. God dang it. I should have hit it. God dog it. I should have hit it. Look at the micro. Micro went down a lot more. All the way down to VWAP. We had the 9 count up there. I just chickened out. Chickened out. Plain and simple. Oh, well. Again, I had this attached to the Apex accounts we're doing the challenge on. Just trading off the VWAP bonds. So 60 down the... Wow, that's only 10 points. Well, that's kind of tight. Now they're trying to rip it on up. Yeah, I hesitated. It is what it is. But anyways, after the stream, I ate some lunch. Went out riding the E-foil. The glasses y'all see me wearing in the morning stream. Yep, no longer have them. They went bye-bye. Somehow I lost them when I was on the E-foil. Dang it. Man, that would have been such a good trade too. We had the VWAP bands. We had the wicks into the bands. We had the 9 count. I simply didn't take it. Yeah, well, tomorrow's CPI, so we got to be careful. I'm not sure I'll be on as long as I have been lately. I might jump off a little bit early tonight. Only because we have CPI in the morning. And I got a video I want to finish up. All the way down to that lower band. New session lows right there. What's oil doing? Oh, let's go check on oil and stuff. Let's get our bearings. It's 8 o'clock. Remember, the Nikkei was closed yesterday. So Nikkei has to play a little catch up. Hey, crude oil is trying to go up here a little bit. Nikkei is getting smacked down a little bit. Kospi, though. Kospi gapped up. Big gap up on the Kospi. Hey, Lee. Good evening. I'm going to say good morning. And look, could have played it right off this band, too, but I was upset I missed the trade up here. No, I missed it again. We have gold down 14. Gold's not by the band yet. Crude oil is kind of by it, but I think I'm going to wait. I think I'm going to wait for a moment. I'm kind of curious. What is it band to band? About 33 points. That's not too bad. Comes in as expected. No increase in inflation. I don't know. That last inflation report was actually good. I was going to look at that this evening. Move that over here. Let me go look at that real quick. So if we go look at the last CPI report, you can see it actually came in really good. Came in negative 0.4. But when you look at what caused it, look right here. It's all about energy and gas. Well, now we've had more tensions in the Middle East. Are we going to get another reading like that again, or do we get a rebound back up? I don't know. We will see. Kospi still screaming up 96 points. Nikkei, look at that big gap, that big push we had down the Nikkei. All the way down to 737. Wow. Wow, it's a pretty big move. From that low all the way up to the current price, about 266 points. That's decent. Missed 2 trades already. That's not good. I think part of the problem is I am a little bit nervous with CPI coming out tomorrow. Probably getting a little bit of a chop fest tonight. All the other prop accounts, I'm not even trading tonight. I'll trade the Apex, the ones that we have the challenge going, but good thing I didn't hit that. Holy shoot. I was in the wrong one. I didn't set the copier up. Wow, I could almost went bad on me. I did not have the copier set up for that. That would have been the wrong accounts. That would have been bad. God, I can't believe that. All right, let me get this set up. View app. Golly, I had the wrong leader account. I did not have the copier set up. Yeah. If I would have hit that trade, it would have been in the MFF accounts. Red and green columns. Oh, over here? That's just signifying short-term oversold if it's green. And if it's red, short-term overbought. Nothing crazy. And again, that just gives us an error. You start getting overbought, oversold. Do we have something else telling us to take a trade? So that could just be one of the many factors to look for a trade. Hey, Leo, what's up? See, we're gonna push back into that bands again. We might. That'd be funny if we just bounce back and forth band to band all night long. That would be funny. Hey, Roach, good evening. Yeah, we have PPI on Thursday, CPI tomorrow. A lot of times, one of them, like the first one that comes out, will push the market one way. The other one will flip the market back the other way. So CPI tanks the market tomorrow. I would expect PPI push the market back up on Thursday. Where do you find the buy the challenge button? Well, if you're already logged in the back end, it's pretty easy. You just select Rhythmic or Tradevate. I select Tradevate. I'm not going to log in. It'll show my login credentials. But if you don't do that, if you've never had an account with them, you can just simply go to Apex. Let's see. And you can do something like this. Right here. Scroll on down. And 50K account. One pack, hit buy. I don't want to log me in. And then I'll let you buy. All right, we're back down here in these bands again. Hey, Chris. We didn't make a new low. I'm a little bit late. I'm trying to see if we want to go back down there. I'm going to start the trade for the Apex Challenge accounts. No, hey, Tom. So it's if you lose that much in one day. Total net that you're down. Not if you make it. So if you lose 500, you make 500 back, you get all your drawdown back. Doesn't go towards that daily loss limit. Or if you lose 100, next trade you lose 500, then you hit your daily loss limit. I'm debating on smacking this. Yeah, you can win it back. Now, if you get dinged out for the day, it's a soft breach. You'll be locked out till 6 p.m. that night. Screw it. Let's go. Let's see if I can get something out of it. Hope I don't want my targets way up there. I'll just keep my finger on the close button. It might be a little bit more difficult to hit the $200 goal tonight, as I do expect this to chop around for a little bit. How much junk do you get? Seriously, I only send out 10,000 emails a day, so you'll be good. I usually send out a couple emails per week. Usually if I drop a video I thought might be useful for you, or every now and then when a prop firm has a sale, I might send an email out for that. Not every single sale though. Like the video I'll probably have coming out tomorrow, I'll probably drop an email because a lot of people have been asking for that video. Let everybody know the video's out. But come on, just push. Let's see here. Right on up. Let's get it. I don't like this. Taking a sweet old time down here. The longer we spend down here, the more problems that we may have with this trade. We, meaning me. I knew it. I knew my hotkeys weren't going to work. All right, now my hotkeys will work. I can get me. It depends on which Lucid account you have. The Lucid Daily, no. Lucid Flex and Pro, yes. TBT evals, yes. Not the Pro or Pro Plus. TBT will probably send out an email in the morning. So I'm just going to try to be flat all of my accounts before that news comes out. I don't want to be in a trade. Really stinks I missed that trade up there. Missed it. Son of a gun. I mean, at least the prop firms I trade with don't have a 10-minute news rule. That's crazy. 10 minutes. 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. You're just asking to make a mistake. It's frustrating after you see the news comes out and the market's moving the way you wanted it to. Oh man, you can't get in. That's horrible. You just gotta watch it go and try not to hit the button. That's rough. That's rough. What? Yeah, I don't know what Top Step's pricing is. I think they messed up when they got rid of Trade of 8, Rhythmic, other options, but you know, they did it for a reason. Sure, they have their reasons. I spent a lot of time down here. Some of the prop firms will fail you. Yes, you'll lose the account. It'll be a busted account. So I don't know if they do it right then or at the end of the day. I've never been in a trade. I just know that they say you'll lose your account, so I'm going to take their word for it. Well, yeah, probably won't get paid either. And you can almost guarantee if you had a big payday coming and you did that, they say, oh, nope. You violated your account. Come on, let's get on up there. We're already over the VWAP. Keep in mind, one of the accounts have intraday drawdown, the other one does not. Let's see if I can get at least 100 out of it. $200 trades would be beast mode. It might be asking for too much here. Yeah, Lucid Flex, you're good. That's what I have too. I have Lucid Flex accounts. No news rule. The daily account does. And news is just really gambling anyways. Like, you have good news come out and the market tank. Bad news come out, the market rockets. So we don't know what the reaction is going to be to the news. I need to experiment with these things. No, hey, if they say don't do it, I'm just not going to do it. It's that simple. If you work that hard to get a funded account, you don't want to just, blow it away for no reason. Come on. Come on. Dang it. For a minute, I thought that was a 12 count, but it's a one bar, 2 bar. It's like 12. It's kind of odd. No, I'm not going to do it. Not doing it. Do a video how the prop firm scammed me for me breaking the rule and they took my account. All right, out. All right, that's trade 1 done in the Apex challenge tonight. Let's get it. So here's we go. All right, so let's see where we're at. So goal is $200 per session. The first night we did not get it. Only got $40. So 129 across both those accounts. One of them's EOD, one of them's intraday drawdown. So one's a legacy account, one's the new EOD accounts. So if I can get another 80-ish bucks tonight, hey, we're good. We are golden at that point in terms of the challenge. So now I don't know if I want to fade this back down yet. I'm going to wait and see, do we push back up there a little bit more and how's it working out? Yeah, legacy has the old rules, correct. Which one of the rules that traders like, there's no limit to amount of payouts you can get. For the newer accounts, after 6 payouts, you start over. You have to buy a new eval and pass it. Go through all the fun stuff all over. Yeah, they might cook the number tomorrow. We'll see. But hey, if the number comes in good tomorrow, what does PPI do? I kind of think the number won't be as good tomorrow. And I don't know if we'll sell off on it or not. And then I think Thursday, PPI comes out much better than expected. And then it rockets. I feel like PPI lags CPI. So the last CPI report was really good. Actually, let's look at the last PPI report too. Let's look at that real quick. Last PPI report. Actually, it came in better than expected. Came in at negative 0.3. They forecasted 0.0. Previously, it was 0.6. So PPI and CPI both came out really well last time. All right, Nikkei is back down 26. Kospi is up 132, still trying to push. Hey, King, what's up? What's up? Keep an eye on oil and gold as well for potential VWAP trades. Gold's up there in the band now, too. Gold is up here in the band. Oh, boy. And crude oil. Yeah, crude oil is right here, too. I'm really scared of crude oil, though. I'm not going to lie. Crude oil scares me. With what's going on in the Middle East, that could be pretty nasty. Got the NASDAQ up here in the bands. What about ES? ES is not there yet. Which indicator? Which indicator do I use? What do you mean? Indicator for what? This right here is just the VWAP bands. You can get them on any or most platforms that have VWAP. You get it on TradingView as well. So if you're a TradingView user, let's see. Thank you. See right here, I got the VWAP bands right there. That's on the free VWAP indicator. Free. So. Yeah, I know it's hitting the deviation band. I don't know if I want it, though. I'm like, yeah, do I want it? I want to go look at gold real quick. Really think I might smack gold instead. Gold's up there in the band. What about 30-minute? Oh. That scares me. That was a big boo-boo. Huh. Yeah, effed up there. Hey, I didn't have the micro gold on. I had friggin' GC. That's bad. NASDAQ's trying to rip. NASDAQ new session highs. See, ES hit the VWAP. Sorry, ES hit session highs. Not yet. Or the VWAP bond has not. NASDAQ's coming off the bands. I didn't take it though. Did not take it. Over here on the ES, we do have a little bit of liquidity down here, about 77.40. And some up here about 77.60. All right. I got lucky there. Oh, man. Hey, so look what I did on accident. I went to go short gold, meaning I thought it was the MGC. It was not MGC. So I put 2 on it and said, uh-oh, I messed up. Now, I got favorable slip in my direction. If we look at the Apex accounts. God, I can't believe that happened to me too. So in the Apex accounts, 219 bucks tonight. They got their 200 bucks. That's not the trade. I did not mean to do GC. I meant to do MGC. So they hit their $200 goal for the night. So they're done. I'm shutting the Apex accounts down. Yeah, I'm just trying to be consistent and show you guys what it's like. Just hit the goal, stop him. Already shut those charts off. Done, done, and done. I'm actually going to turn the copier off too, just in case. So the copier is turned off as well. Hey, Mike, on the on trade of it, I don't know. Hey, so it should be the linear regression. I don't know about TradingView. I haven't tried to install it. I do know on TradingView, because I have it on TradingView as well. So if we go to a 1 minute chart, let's see. Thank you. Lin regression. You can see that one moves as well. So it's got to be linear regression. It should move automatically. As long as you don't manually draw it out. If it's one you manually draw out, that'll be a problem, but it should be under indicators. No, not the one in your drawing tools, Atomic. No, it has to be an indicator. The indicator version. Because the one you draw only goes for the area that you drew it out. So that's probably where you're having issues. Hey, you know what though? I need to go ahead and add duplicate new tab. MGC. I might still trade gold tonight in my account. All right. So. I took a little scalp here in the NQ. Little scalpy scalp might scalp me. Let's see what happens. Ash Tree, what's up? So we're only 26 minutes in. Already hit the $200 goal for the Apex evaluation accounts. Done, done, and done. All those trades have been taken on stream. I did mess up though. I meant to trade MGC and I traded GC. It was an accident. So, hey, what's up? What's up? Let's see if we can come on down here. Come on down, please. I'll move it a little bit closer towards the opening price for my target. VWAP is, well, VWAP's all the way down here. About 648. Come on, get on down there. You get on down there. Please, please, and please. I'm gonna move it down. Just gonna move my stop in the money. Let's see if I can maximize this position. Hopefully it doesn't come back and ding me out, but I'm hoping. Yeah, ding me out. All right. So I tried to go look for a little bit more. It did not work. That's okay. It is what it is. I've already had quite a few trades already. 30 minutes into the stream. I'm getting it. Now, I'm probably going to get off stream a little bit earlier tonight. Probably. So. The video you guys have been asking for. So I want to try to get it done. We can get it posted tomorrow. And usually when I go e-full, and I'm a little bit tired afterwards. Yeah, look out below. I don't know if we're going to go down that much. I think that's the wrong way. All right. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? Good evening. All gotta charge my phone. Let's see. All right. So let's see. Are we gonna get back down? I might take another swing at this. Maybe. Should I or should I not? Are we gonna push up? Are we gonna push up? Let's do a fib real quick. We're at the 38% retracement. We already came out once a little bit. We're gonna work our way to 711 or we're gonna push back down. Screw it. Not a good fill. Not a good fill for me. That was horrible. I'm not gonna try to move my target down. Already pretty straight leg down. Just gotta take that $100 ish. Take it. I'm kind of curious. What did? Oh, wow. I really looked out with that gold. Gold went back up. So it went down enough to get me out plus a little bit more. And then that thing rocketed back up. That could have been bad. Hey, Brad, what's up? With a new daily loss account. And I would assume, Brad, it does carry over, but you know what? That's a great question. Let's go explore that. Because I don't know the answer. That'd be a great little thing. Let's go look at it because I'm waiting for the market to move. I want to give the market a little chance to get out of this area, see what we're going to do. Let's go to FAQ. And you said in the daily, hey, Jesse, what's up? Congrats on the payout. Jesse got max payout. One more day did not hurt him. All right, funded accounts. Let's see. Drawdown's going to be intraday. News is not permitted. That might not be what I wanted. Hold on. Yeah, hey, it is in the funded account. Look, Lucid Daily funded account. So Brad, yes, it would still be there. It's in the eval and in the funded account. I thought it would be, but I wasn't sure. So yeah, you got it for both. I mean, it's good and bad. It sucks because it takes you out of the trade. Can't trade no more. You're locked out, but it's good because it will force you to stop and not blow up your account one day. So. Timing 55 on the regression, 3 on the width. Now, if it has the upper and the lower band, so something that's a little bit different in terms of the regression channel right here on TradingView, maybe TradingView has it too. Under settings, they have a upper deviation, lower deviation. So if 3 is on ninjas, you just divide that in half. 1.5 for the upper, 1.5 for the lower. 1.5 plus 1.5 equals 3. Yeah, no problem. All right, NASDAQ, new highs. Error, live data required to trade this contract. Hey, Sam, what contract are you trading? Which one? No. Which what product were you trying to trade? Meaning the ES, NASDAQ, bonds, gold. Oh, NQ? That's really weird. Yeah, you probably have to create a support ticket. Is it Rhythmic or Tradevate? Because I traded Tradevate. I traded the M and Q, not the NQ. Can you trade the M and Q, Sam? Or is it won't work either? MES and ES, you tried a few? Yeah, they got something messed up with your data. You have to create a support ticket. And you trade them on Tradevate? Or you trade them on Ninja through Tradevate? Because I've already traded so I have a legacy account. One of the accounts I traded tonight on stream, I traded MNQ. It was a 50K legacy. Also traded a 50K EOD account. That's what I do too. Hey, so if you log into Tradevate, does it show live data? Or does it say data delayed? Oof. I don't know. That's going to be tough. Long or short bias going to CPI. I'm going to be flat neutral. Because I bet you it says delayed data. Yeah, if Tradevate has a new agreement you have to sign, it could do it too. Good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button. We're going to be giving away an Apex account tonight on stream, and tomorrow morning, and tomorrow night, and Thursday morning. Wait, tomorrow is Thursday. No, tomorrow's Wednesday. Oh, rough day. Hey, Jesse, I think you missed it, but hey, I ate crap pretty good on the E4 today. I was feeling a little the little froggy. I launched the e-foil intentionally, tried to jump this boat wake. I went, caught the boat down, and tried to launch it. Yeah, didn't work out in my favor. Needless to say, lost my glasses. Glasses I was wearing on stream this morning. I haven't even had them that long. Gone. Poof. I didn't even notice it when I fell. I fell so... It wasn't a good fall. I had to swim forever to get back to the e-foil. I'm riding back. I'm like, man, sun's in my eyes. I'm like, ah, crap, my glasses. I couldn't find them. So, it was a pretty good wreck. It was pretty funny. Wish I would have had that one on camera. It was a little choppy out in the bay today, but still fun. So I thought I could clear that boat wake. All right, look, we're coming down off the VWAP bands up here. In case those of you that were not on here in the beginning, the Apex challenge accounts, $200 tonight already. Took all the trades on stream. So what are the accounts up to now? Just shy of $1,000 of profit in those accounts. And this is 2 days in. I'm only trying to make $200 per session. Sunday night, I did not make that goal. On the left chart, this is a 1 minute. Right chart, it's a Ninja Renko, not time-based, range-based. Then over here, I have a 4-hour chart. Then I have a 30-minute chart. And then I also have Bookmap over here and over here. That's all the charts I have. So I have 5 funded Apex accounts, but for this challenge, I have 2 different Apex accounts because I want to see what the difference would be. People say, you can't do it with an intraday account. So I picked up an intraday account over the weekend. It was like $19.70. And then I picked up an EOD account. EOD account cost me $49. Looked at my credit card earlier on the morning stream. So. You're blocked. Wow, that's weird. I've never heard of anybody being blocked at White Boy. That's odd. Blocked. At least one more. Hey, Atomic, I've actually been sizing down my monitors. I'm down to only 2 now. So I went from 6 to 3, but 3 I went with a big 65-inch TV, 2 32-inch monitors. Now I'm down to 2 57-inch ultra-wide Samsung G9 monitors. I'm really liking them too. Image is a lot sharper for me. And I don't get as much eye strain at the end of the day. On the cheap Apex accounts, which the sale expires tonight. At least I think it is tonight. Let's go check. Yeah, Apex's sale, I think it's tonight. Expires in 3 hours. So look, if you want to see they did a pretty good job of putting it out in your face. But if you click on legacy accounts, if I pass, it's going to cost me $125 in this account. Let's see what the other account's going to cost. It might even be more. Let's see. I have the 50K EOD. Click right here. Yeah, that one's going to be $129. So the EOD account is going to be way more all in. But hey, it is what it is. That's assuming I pass. I haven't passed yet. Have not passed it yet. Yeah, I'm really liking these ultra wide because now, so I changed the camera from DSLR camera. I got a little webcam and I have a place for it. Before I was having to, oh man, it was a pain on the camera every morning. Oh man, it sucked. But don't have to worry about that now. So. Yeah, I prefer the EOD accounts too. And normally on evals, normally I'm not trading micros. Normally I'm trading minis to pass the evaluations. So I'm just doing this as a challenge. No, hey Bob, I didn't say it was your trade copier. I said what I think it is. You had the same issue I did. I remember you were losing power before. And before I had the problem on mine, you said all your Ninja was wiped out that one time. And that's what happened to mine. And then I had the same error message. After that, when my generator fired up, I hurried up, boot up my computer as that Ninja was booting up. The generator fell off the thing. It ran out of gas and killed power to me. Lost everything in Ninja. That was horrible. I think that corrupted something you have going on. I don't know, but that's what I'm guessing. All right, we almost came back down to the VWAP right here. Again, I do expect a lot of chopping going on tonight. Going commando. I don't know. I kept saying, Bob, for a long time, I wanted to redo Ninja from scratch because I was having profiles were taking a while to load. The new version of Ninja Trader is actually pretty good. I haven't had any issues with it. Everything loads a lot faster, like 8. Let's go see what version it is. 8.1.8.1. I've had no issues. So my charts load way faster, but I mean, I did a complete fresh install after all that mess because I was wanting to for a while. Hey, are you actually going to get the drive home this weekend? Or are you going to decide to stay again? All right, think about taking a shot in gold up here. Hey, Mongo. So intraday drawdown. It's trickier because every time your account makes a new equity high intraday, that's going to move up, even if you didn't close the position. So for instance, let's say you're up $2,000 on a trade. You let it come back down, stop you out for break even. You just lost all your drawdown, $2,000 gone. So you were enslaved. So that drawdown takes a while to get used to. You just got to make sure you take some base hits, get on base, probably size down a little bit too. So that way, if the market's going back and forth a little bit, it's not as bad. Atomic for the regression channel. I'm using a 55 length and 3 for the width. Hey, what's up? Oh, Rinko. The Ninja Rinko. It's a Ninja Rinko. A little different than a normal Rinko. 6'3". Sometimes I'll use a 10.5, 12.6. But usually on stream, it's a 6'3". Two years old and still in the box. Oh, boy. Hey, Bob, you should have used it before it was outdated. It needs to be updated. 2 years old is an eternity for a computer. Trying to debate. Do I want to go ahead and try to push up for the right back through the highs? I don't know yet. Yeah, really hurry up and wait. Dow's down 14, ES up 5 1/4, NASDAQ up 44, Russell down 2.2, crude oil up 59, gold's up 0.1. I was like, yeah, it's a backup. It's only 2 years old. To get the programs to run, I got to put this floppy disk thing in. Hey, Bob, remember those computers back in the day? You had the big old floppy disk about this big. Put it in. You had to type some command, get it to run. Remember that in school. Oh, that's funny. This market's slow tonight, which I kind of expected tonight would be a little bit slower. So, yeah, I remember using cassettes too. I remember when CDs came out, I'm like, CDs, what's that? How am I gonna be able to listen to my tapes? Then you'd be like, boop, rewind, go right next, or skip tracks to the next song. Like, this is awesome. Oh boy. Our prediction for tonight is I've already hit the goal in the Apex challenge accounts. So we'll see if we can do it tomorrow too. Hit $200 tomorrow. That'd be great. That almost put us at the halfway mark. Not quite. A little bit shy of it. Hey, Eric, what's up? Game changer. My wife remembers when her dad used to pick him up on the weekends. And he finally got a CD player. He had one of the ones in the back where it held like 5 or 8 CDs. Listen to the song, goes, want to hear it again? Hits a bunch, like, how did you rewind it all the way to the beginning? I thought that was the coolest thing. Was it Tandy? Oh boy. Yeah, I didn't have a computer growing up. EMAs are a 50 and 200 period EMA. Are we coming back down to the VWAP or what? Oil's trying to go up a little bit. Oil's moving up. I'm a little scared to play oil off these VWAP bands. I think if I play oil tonight, it's got to be up closer to a third band. I don't really trust it. 600 put a CD player in your cord. Yeah, I did all my own car stereo stuff. I was in high school. That's how I learned how to do electrical. I let the smoke out of several components. Now I learned how they work. Sometimes you gotta break it to fix it. Break it to understand it. So. Yeah, get rid of all your CDs. Now it's all, on your phone and stuff. Craziness. Who would have thought 20 years ago everybody would be carrying around a cell phone? Maybe 25 years ago. Man, 30 years ago. Man, I'm getting old. 30 years ago, you'd have a cell phone. Everybody would have one. You have all your music, watch movies on it, FaceTime. That was crazy. ATR for the ESs too. 4 binaries of. Well, it's funny. We went up and we're cleaning out some stuff the other weekend, and I found a whole bunch of. I found like 3 different CD books. It was a little, I don't know, probably this wide by this tall. You flip it, you have 2 CDs per side. Yeah. AI on your phone is crazy. Yeah. Crazy. Well, hey, I remember nights and weekends. What was it, after 7 or 8 o'clock at night? Then it was free. Hey, call me back after 8. Yeah, that's crazy. Craziness. Yeah, Raj, I'm in gold right now. I'm in micro gold at the moment. Going for a bigger move in it. Took a swing. I didn't do it in the prop accounts. I'm not going to trade the other prop accounts until tomorrow. No, I don't remember the Tandy computer. I didn't have a computer growing up. Like, I didn't grow up with a lot of money. If I take this down the VWAP. Down the VWAP, I'll gladly close it out. Gladly. Get on down there. I sent text message. Oh man. Yeah, buy the 100K Apex $59 before the sale ends. GCV6. I'm on GC. No, I'm on GCZ. Z26. So 1226. Not on the right month. What is going on there? Well, at least in my watch list. Hold on. That's weird. At least in my watch list, that's what I have. Let me see. Gold should be every 2 months. Yeah, V is the current month. V is the current. I don't know why Ninja's trying to put me in the. Let's see real quick. I think I just rolled it over. Maybe. Doesn't even make sense. Hold on. Oh no, hey. It's funny, so the CME. Yeah, let me pull this over real quick. So I'm on December. But watch this. You go to the CME real quick. You look right here under metals. GCV6. But we click on that. Go to quotes. Hey, look right here. December has way more volume. V only has 300 contracts traded. All the volume is on December. Yeah, sometimes Apex has discounts on the PAs. So oil did finally get a little pullback right there. But I'm not in oil, so doesn't do me no good. If you guys haven't yet, let's see if we can get 100 likes. 9 more likes. 9 more people to push that like button. Boop, 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 boop. Let's get it. No, hey, Mongo. So for the 50K account, the most, you get 2,000 drawdowns from your high watermark. So if you're in a trade and it runs up, but you don't close it, that drawdown still moved up. That's for the 50K account. How do you confirm the email? Once you sign up on the email list, it'll send you an email saying, hey, you open up the email, it says click here to confirm your email. If you're already on the email list, signing up again won't resend it. So if you want to give me a second, I can try to look you up and see if you're already on the list. Let me log in real quick. Oh, hey, repeat. What's up? What's up? Maybe the lower band or VWAP is what I'm thinking. Hey, Lee, what's the first 3 letters of your email? I'll look for it. See if I can find you. Hey, Lee, give me the first 3 letters of your email. I'll look. See if you're already on the list. ETRE. Yeah, hey, Raj, I was already thinking about that. Thanks for the heads up. ERTE. Whoa. ETRE. ETRE. Let's see. No, I don't see you on here. Hey, Eric, you must have unsubscribed yourself. You must have unsubscribed. Because I don't unsubscribe people. So. Maybe you accidentally did it. I don't know. Let's see. Unsubscribe. Oh, hey, hold on. It says status bounced. Oh, let's see if this is you. I'm gonna click on it. It says you're in bounce status. Yeah. I don't know. It says bounced. Yeah, you haven't got any emails in forever. Hey, Eric. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete you. Yeah, I'm going to delete you and re-sign up. I don't know what that means. But I'm going to delete you and just sign back up. How do I do that? Clear. All right, I got you off of it. Let's say, did Lee ever put in his first 3? Nope, I haven't seen it. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that, Eric. I've never seen that before. First time for everything. I don't feel like we're trying to bounce up here a little bit. Let's see the ES. Mr. ES. Regression channel is sloping up. See the line slightly sloping up. So let's see. Again, I'm trying to get gold down to at least VWAP. VWAP being down here 44.33-ish. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to build. We'll see. Is they going to be able to build it up? We will see. Boom, boom, boom. Chart on the left is a 1-minute chart. It's the NASDAQ. So I have a couple indicators on it. One, oops, that's not what I want to hit. One is going to be the VWAP right here, along with the bands, VWAP bands. Second one's going to be the regression channel. Then I have a delta indicator down at the bottom. All free indicators. Hey, Fendi, we're doing another one tonight. Another giveaway tonight. And tomorrow morning. And tomorrow night. And Thursday morning. And Thursday night. And Friday morning. Oh, man. Good job on that, Eddie. Nice. Eddie's slaying them. All right, NASDAQ's trying to push up here. Tom, I don't know. I don't know when. Someday after today. I don't know. Yeah, I went out to E-foil this afternoon, Rick. I went on the E-foil, ate crap, lost my glasses from this morning. God, that sucks. Had to go buy some new ones. So that stunk. It is what it is, though. I don't know what I was thinking. I chased down a boat and jumped the boat wake. It didn't work out for me. I did not land. I mean, I landed in the water, but it was not pretty. Not how I had it envisioned in my head. I got up and it was really weird. So I really thought, I would come down like this. I did not. Somehow I don't know. I don't understand really what happened. I didn't have a camera, but TTM's been squeezing. Never really been a fan of TTM. All right, new session highs on the NASDAQ. Look, we are in the bands. Do I dare smack it? Do I dare? Let's see the ES real quick. ES isn't up there yet. NASDAQ's up 53. Let's go look at the overseas markets before I make my decision. Nikkei down 54. Kospi's up 146. Hey, in the water today, I did see probably this big. I don't know if you guys can see, but oh yeah, you guys can't see the whole hand. The camera goes off thing. But anyways, probably a good 2.5 foot span, 2.5 foot, some type of ray, stingray or something. Look down. I seen something cruising the water. I'm like, caught my attention. The color of it, I was like, is that a shark? But it wasn't. It was some kind of stingray. And then after that, I turned. That's when I went to go hit the boat wake and ate crap. So should have shorted that. Did not. Should have took a little short. Yes is lagging a little bit. Yes is not going up like NASDAQ. Hey, Tris, hello and good evening to yourself. All right, I'm going to throw some micros on this. I threw some micros on this. On this M&Q. Trying to get out later here right around VWAP. I'm not looking for a whole lot here. Yes, it's trying to go down. Nice, Atomic. Good job on that. Good deal. Yeah, Florida's a shark bite capital of the world. Here in Florida. Been watching a lot of videos how they're attracted to the e-foils, which is not what I thought. And now I think about it, the wing in the water can kind of look like a ray. A lot of the sharks go out to rays. So, I don't know. Come back up here a little bit. I might add to it. No, I didn't see the new Spider-Man movie. Bulls are nasty. The ES just is not gyrating. If we look over here at the ES on the 1 minute, all right, ES is just not up nearly as much as what we saw with the NASDAQ. Yeah, they might try to push it back up. Might get a chance to add to it. Are they going to give me a chance to add to it? Here's session highs we're coming up to 681. Yeah, the bull sharks are the ones that suckers bite anything. We have a lot of black tips too over here. Which, I mean, I don't want to get bit by that either, but I think I got a better chance with a black tip than a bull shark. We're going to break that high. See how high we end up popping up. Wow, oil's up 73 cents. Well, let's do this real quick. Let's go check. CL. Cosby keeps going up. CL's trying to pull back here a little bit. GC. Trying to go up. Nikkei's down 77. The Cosby's up here at session highs. Yeah, GC going the wrong way. No, Bob, just giving you a chance to get more of it. That's the way I see it. We'll see that NASDAQ's going to push up a little bit more. Oh, you got out? Yeah, I'm not out yet. Might add to it. But let's see if we're going to push back down, or is this going to stop me out? I haven't added to it yet. So I got 3 on this. So we'll see. We shall see. I really wish today the low we could have taken out that 524. What's the low today? 533. That was pretty darn close. Pretty darn close. Yeah, divergence in stochastics and RSI. Let's see if they'll push the markets down a bit. Maybe, maybe not. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. You know, we're going to be giving away Apex account tonight. Tonight. Let's go. Let's get it. I still did not add to the M&Q yet. No add yet. Never mind, that's gold. I feel like that chart's not right. I feel like all night long I've seen the YM. Oh, it is. It's moving. I feel like every time I looked at my chart, it was down 14. Now it's down 15. Which my market analyzer did update. So VIX today was down 18 cents. Crude oil might be trying to make its way back down towards the VWAP. 83.68. A little late for me to want to take this trade. Even if it goes down there, I feel like I'm a little bit late. If I wanted to take it, I should have done it up there. But I'm kind of scared to trade too much crude oil. I want to give it, enough opportunity to prove me wrong, because it will. All right, if we look over here, trying to flirt with getting me back in the green. You're bored? You added more longs? Oh boy. Anyway, Neo, hopefully it pulls back a little bit more so you can add more and gets me out of my trade. And then I'm happy I hit my target. You're happy you got more contracts. It's a win-win. It's almost like my order is acting as support. Like, oh, here's support. Bink. The yes just is not nearly as strong. HSI is going to open up here in about 15 minutes. So, yeah, I kind of thought tonight would be a slow night anyways. That's why I think I'm going to jump off earlier tonight. We'll see. They want you to just go bing, 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 bing. I won't be upset. Come on. Come on. You can do it. All right, now I'm playing my jam. Come on. Now it's short-lived. It's like, did. Stop. That CPI comes in hot tomorrow. It's going to get ugly. I just don't know how confident I am that we're going to come in hot. Something I haven't looked at in a while. What's going on here? That's not what I'm looking for. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, that's weird, Eric. All right, come on down here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Said please. Pretty please. Hey, Roger Sam, what's up? 6:30, we have FEG. See if we can get down there. Let's get it. I'll try to get out before that. Might bail here at VWAP. I don't know, I really like to get at least $100 out of this. Come on. You can do it. Don't be scared. Oh boy. Wow. Show you guys something once I'm out of this trade. To MES long. Yeah, MES isn't moving nearly as much as the NASDAQ. Yeah, but that's not my goal trade. Dog it. We did hit the VWAP. I don't regret not taking that. I might end up regretting this. Hey, we got the ES though. Hold on. Look at the ES on the 1 minute. ES is coming out to that lower band. Do we start to bounce? I wish I would have saw that a little bit earlier. Wish I would have saw that when I was up 100. I probably would have closed it. Huh. Oh boy. Let's see if they're going to make me pay the price. Not your type of market. I mean, it's slow tonight for sure. It's been slow all week at night. Even during the daytime, it's been pretty slow. We got a little movement this afternoon, but all right, it doesn't look like we're going to move anywhere anytime fast. So let me show you guys this. So if we look, the next FOMC, they're expecting the rates to stay the same, then raise, keep them the same, then raise again. That probably won't be good for our markets if that happens. Just saying. Yeah, everybody's waiting for something, waiting for a CPI tomorrow. I don't know though. Like, I feel like I can see tonight and even later this afternoon, market chopping a little bit, waiting for CPI, but Sunday night seems a little bit early, a little premature for the market. Let's see if we get a little bit more last contract out. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Little micro trade for the win. Let's get it. Gots to love it. Now, hey, here's something to think about. Look at the ES. ES is down in these bands. We have the low of the day right here. Should we maybe look for a buy down here in the ES? Or is that going to be a trap? $1 million question. I feel like whatever I do will be wrong. Oh, nice. Hey, T-Coop. Nice chart. Come on, we gonna take out the low of the day or what? Get her on down. Get it. Maybe I'll hit this with some MESs versus the ES. Maybe that's what I'll do. That way I can withstand a little bit, just in case I'm a little bit early to the party. Yeah, I agree. We can't afford higher rates. That's going to be a problem for our debt. We have a lot of problems, but yeah, puts took off at 11 o'clock. Yeah, I saw that. In case you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, let me trying to debate if I want to trade this or not on the ES. Here's what T-Coop sent. Right there. See, puts were screaming up around 11. Calls are going down. And yeah, markets did not like it. Do I dare? We did make a new low. Thinking about it. Think about what you think about, man. Let's go. All right. I jumped in on the MES. We'll see how much I regret that. We'll see if I end up regretting it. Wow, it's not even that big of a point move. So there's my MES. Let's see if we can get a little balance. I will add to it. I'm going to DCA into it pretty aggressively. If it keeps going down, I'm going to aggressively DCA into it. And we'll see if it works. Yeah, CL's up 72 cents. Let's see where the ES or NASDAQ is. Yeah, NASDAQ's not quite down the band yet. Not quite there yet. Let's give me a little bounce. Bounce, bounce. Actually, this move right here wasn't even that much. 5 points. I probably shouldn't have taken that trade. Yeah, almost complete flip. Yeah, they got it pretty good. Yeah, hey, Bob, you're going to get that result on any indicator you try to install. You got the white ninja. To figure out which indicator you have that has the error message. Which is going to be very difficult for you. So it's not going to let you have to uninstall. You have to delete your documents folder and reinstall it. So at least that's what I would guess. All right, let's run it up. Let's run it up. Come on down so you add some more longs. Hey, Neo, I'm with you on the long. I'm not in the NASDAQ. I'm in the ES or MES. So I'm in the S&P 500 long. Let's see if they can keep on chirping it up. Ooh, look at this big win right here. Up $16. $16. What's $16? Just TP too long? Nice. Uh-oh, up 27. It's not going to even be that big of a trade. Even if we made it up to here, it's yeah, it really wasn't worth it. I didn't realize how small that move actually was. Hey, King, have a good night. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that like button. We're going to be dropping Apex account giveaway tonight. So see who wins it. You can get the legacy accounts with it. As long as you use it before the sale ends, you should be able to get the legacy accounts for free too if you win. Now we have learned it doesn't work on the accounts with no activation fee. So all accounts, but the no activation fee accounts, and it doesn't work on the 5-packs. Yeah, Leo, they ran a new wire. They haven't buried it yet, but we have the new wire laid across the grass. So I think they're going to come out tomorrow or maybe the next day. Bury it, hopefully, maybe. Yeah, hey, the legacy accounts have no cap payouts or the uncapped payouts, which is good. That's one of the big selling points on those accounts, and they're really, really cheap right now. Now, if you factor in the activation fee, they're not as cheap, but if you blow up, you know, it takes you a couple times to pass, it makes sense. Love to chew on cables. Oh boy. Yeah, that'll suck. Yeah, back when I had cable internet, they used to like to chew on the coax cable. So, I don't know, Bob. Maybe he might have. So I don't know. AT Coop. So it's funny on a car, rats and stuff love fuel injector wires and ABS wires. I don't know what it is about those wires, but 9 times out of 10, if an animal chewed on the wires, it was ABS or the injectors or fuel pump wires. I don't know why. Craziness. I guess they have a better taste. I don't know. So I'd like to see this ES just go ahead and blaze on up. Blaze up, get my target. Let's go. Just kind of hanging out down here. Longer we hang down at the lower levels, the more likely it's going to bust lower. Yeah, but you would think all wires would be made of the same kind of coating. Like, it looks the same. ABS wires are just twisted together. $637-ish. We're at now $655. Plenty of room. So I look over here at the 30-minute profile on the ES. Making me a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Are we gonna roll right back over? I don't know, man. I'm getting a little nervous about that. You know, I do like this little minus development area of the profile here. And even up here a little bit, but I don't know. Huh. Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, Stay Broke, what's up? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not looking for a big rally. I'm just looking for a little bounce. Just a little bounce. Just let me get a little green. Very, very, very slow. That's fine. I'm cool with that. I'm cool. NASDAQ trying to come back down here a little bit. So is the NASDAQ going to make it back down to that lower band? The CPI should be, as slow as the market has been moving, CPI could really make this market explode up or down. So which way is it going to be? We should do a poll. Let's do a little poll real quick. All right, tomorrow after CPI, pop or drop after CPI tomorrow. I just put the poll into the chat. Let's see what you be thinking. Let's see. Just faded gold. Neo's adding some more longs. Hey, Raj, what's up? What's up? Pop because they'll lie? Maybe. Are you saying that they have chefs in there cooking up those numbers? Come on. They would never do something like that. More of the same? Hopefully not. Hopefully we get some big moves tomorrow and I'm on the right side of them. That's what I'm hoping for. That's my fantasy. The situation remains the same. Hey, so when are the Straits of Hormuz going to reopen? You know, we're going to have a deal any hour for how many days? That's the same play they took out before that. They got the market all juiced up on the hopes and then nothing. And they're not selling it off yet. And they haven't produced any results. So pop and drop round trip ticket. Yeah, hopefully I can get it. Hopefully I get the move tomorrow. That'd be fantastic. I'll be loving it. I'm loving it. Man, we're just not bouncing up. It's making me a little bit nervous. Hey, Leo, I ain't went fishing in a while. I used to fish all the time with my grandfather. That man can catch anything. There's a fish in the water, he'll catch it. But when I was really young, we do a lot of freshwater fishing. Then when I got teenager, I don't know, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, fishing a lot of saltwater. All the way up until I was about 18, actually. For a while, I was going fishing every day. I used to like catching some snook. And there's a spot, man, where you can slay the sheephead. Oh, no, I was thinking flounder. I was thinking flounders. Can I fish in my foot? No, probably not. That'd be disastrous. I was practicing one of the ideas I have for You guys will see when I get done, but you bite your fingers off. Yeah, it doesn't sound like a fun ordeal. Hey, Raphael, what's up? I'm hoping this MES will just run up here real quick and hit my targets. Just get up. Get up there. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. You know, they keep going at it and then they back off. Just give them a chance to rebuild. They should have just finished the job the first time. Even if it's not going too bad. Already hit the goal in the Apex Challenge accounts. Looking at aiming for 200 per session. Up 219. Not bad. All trades taken on stream, so. POC on the NQ. Point of control from today is about 636.25. 29,636.25. That was the one that formed from today. That's not necessarily true, Mike. Not necessarily true. Well, I'll show you like this effing market. Ah! Wait, whoa, who's that guy? Who is that guy? All right, there we go. There he goes. Come on. Come on, Mr. ES. I'm about sick of sitting in this. Been in it for a while now. We have VWAP right up here, which I don't know what I was thinking. Not really enough point-wise to really. I didn't realize that when I put it on how tight the range was. So I'll probably just look to close it. I'm just closing it. All right, I didn't make much. Just a smidge. So let's see. Holy crap. AT Coop, is that real? That's real. That's pretty sick. Well, oil's still up 70 cents though. Let's see if they're gonna rip this back up. I got tired of sitting in that MES trade. Especially when I realized I wasn't gonna make a whole lot on it. All right, NASDAQ's trying to come up here a little bit. Yeah, all that knocking for 2 ES points. All that chirping. That's what I'm saying. It just wasn't worth it. What's the range tonight? We've had an 8-point range on the S&P. So I need to stay away from the S&P for the rest of the night. Where's the NASDAQ? Range on the NASDAQ is 56 points. Look, we're coming right back into the bands again. Yeah, we should have the HSI opened up. Wow, HSI is down 295. DK's up 134. Kospi's up 212. Wow. Almost back in the bands up here. Getting ready to smack her down. Little smackarooski. I might look for a short on the M and Q up here in the bands. See what else we got. Gotta be careful. Next stop could be 7-Eleven. Maybe I don't want to do that. Neil's like, keep going. We're right there at the session high. And I'm trying to think about fading it. Oh. Do I want to fade it or not? I don't know. We have a little bit of liquidity up here on the NASDAQ. So 29,700. A little bit about 705, 704. Bit about 750. Do we make it up there? Do we make it up there? You're trying to short? Yeah, I'm not in the short yet. Thinking about it. I'm not there yet. I want to see us in the bands. We did wick into it. I'd like to see a little bit deeper into the band, but we'll see if we get it. No, hey, John, it's all manual. I haven't back tested the volume profile in a while, but back in the day, I went through years and years of data. In all reality, you can probably get AI to do it for you now. Upload the data, get AI to backtest it. Probably be the quickest way. I would assume. I don't know. I've never tried it, but I'm assuming that would work. Hey, we get back up in the bands. I might look to short if we get a little bit deeper into these bands. Break session high, get up in the bands. I might look for a little short with the M and Q. That way I can kind of scale into it. I think. I don't know. Maybe I'll do NQ. Kind of leaning more towards the M and Q. Can't even download all the tick data. Let's see. ES is just right there. So look at the ES versus NASDAQ's trying to push through the session highs. ES having a hard time getting above VWAP. We got a 9 count too. Drastically different. I'm not looking to trade the ES again or the S&P. Too slow tonight. 8-point range just isn't enough. We need a little bit more. Even the NASDAQ's range is relatively tight from what we have been seeing. Hey, Neo, I have no idea. No idea. My wife does all the grocery shopping, so I have no idea. She did say they're not nearly as expensive as they used to be, but I don't know. I am very fortunate. I got a great wife. So. No, I don't have chicken. My neighbor does. My neighbor has chickens. They were selling the eggs at one point. But Hmm. All right, new session highs over here on the NASDAQ. So CPI should, I think we're going to move tomorrow on CPI. I do. I'm going to start a position on the M&Q. I'm going to start a position. I plan to DCA into it. All right, so we'll see how this is going to work out for me. Start a position on the M&Q. I'm going to try to initially take it down towards the VWAP. Yeah, slam it down. We'll see if it gets slammed down. I don't know. So I'm going to DCA into this thing up to about 10 contracts. It gives me the opportunity. And then I'll have to seriously reconsider at that point. Yeah, ES is kind of flirting right around VWAP, BK. It's not really following the NASDAQ as aggressively, so. And with the big news coming out tomorrow, I kind of think we're just going to kind of be stuck range bound. Just so it kind of makes sense playing off the channel up there. Doesn't mean it's right, but makes sense. Hey, oil right now is only at 58 cents. Long chicken. Let's see if we can slam it down a little bit more. Here's the opening price down here at 657. It's probably right around where VWAP is. Pretty darn close. VWAP is pretty close to that. Let's see if they'll smash it. Smash it real good. Now, 640 on the night. Nice. Man, good job on that, Atomic. It's a Delta indicator. IR Delta Momentum Indicator. It's free. If you type in, let's see, Nightbot should put a link to it. Type in, let's see. Right there, Nightbot, click on that link, takes you right to the ecosystem where you can download it. Now, you do have to have a lifetime license or NinjaTrader Prop because you have to have access to the order flow tools for it to properly work. So, but if you are trading with a platform that has NinjaTrader Prop, then the indicator would work for you. I didn't code it. Somebody else did. It's just on the ecosystem. So, Tisserie chickens. If we keep me talking about food, I want to eat before I go to bed. Hey, Mongo, I'm actually going to work on that video after the stream tonight. So that video will go out tomorrow showing how to get it all set up. I know a lot of people are having questions about it. It'd be easier just to make sure I cover it all in the video. No, I haven't heard from Paul in a while. I haven't heard from him in a while. Raj, I was thinking that the other day. I think last week or the week before. Come on down. Come on down. Again, opening price to the VWAP is where I'm looking at the micros. Let's go. It's not even a big trade. It's almost popcorn movie time. Hey, Bob, the market's the only movie I need to watch. Watch the blinky ticker. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Oh, man. Good times. All right, there we go. We got the opening price. Let's get it. All right, if I can get 100 on this, I'm gonna close it. Give me 100 VWAP. Just want a little bit more. Rule number 1, don't trade your P&L. Let's see if I can get a little bit more out of this one. See if maybe we come down towards that lower regression channel. Maybe. Gonna get away from it for a while. Hey, Bob, the good news is you don't ever watch reruns. Watching the blinky ticker, it's always different. If you like a good horror show, just put on a boatload of contracts. You can watch it. What made you think we're overbought? No, we're just off the VWAP bands up here. Upper deviation bands from the VWAP. And the fact that we're going sideways, chopping around, that's usually a very good time to play those. Oh, screw it. I'm going to close it. All right. We're just plucking away quite a few micro trades tonight, more so than normal. So. Yeah, it wants to go red. We'll see if it gets there. Yes, it's been a little bit weaker. So we look at the ES real quick on the 1 minute chart on the left. Look, we're right back down to near the low of the day. Came up the VWAP right here. We got the 9 count and then smacked right back down. But again, the whole range for the night on the ES is only 8 points. So I don't really want to trade the ES anymore tonight. Just not worth it. Not enough movement. Hey, beyond limits. What's up? What's up? $663 or TB half. Nice. Yeah, I'm just slowly just pick. Little here, little there, little here, little there, little here, little there. Just keep it running. Keep it going. Get it, and get it. I'm kind of curious. How many points from the VWAP bands on the VWAP? About 25 points. 9 count at the VWAP. Now, ideally, I'd like to see the NASDAQ go do something like this. Just go all the way down to the bands down here. Then I may look to buy it back up. You just keep playing the range until the range no longer works. So far, the market is not treating me too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Hit the goal in the Apex challenge accounts. Pre CPI data. So. Oh, I hear a little bit of chirping. Oh boy. That's not going to do good for my thought process of wanting to come down to that lower band. What are they doing? Hey, good job on that, Neo. At least Neo was able to get some profits out of that. I wish I could have went down there so I could have got a trade on, but. Nice. Yeah, we're in positive gamma. Atomic Center report card. Let's go look at it. I'm gonna try to rip it back up, huh? Maybe I should have played that bounce off the VWAP, which I did not. That's all right, though. Oh, man, good job on that. Hey, here's Atomics night. 639. Let's get it. Hey, Atomic, good job on that. Great night. You guys are killing it. Hey, don't forget if you guys want to vote, pop or drop tomorrow after CPI. What's it going to be? All right, we're gonna roll it back down. Roll it back down. Here's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping NASDAQ goes all the way down to the channel. And down here, I'm gonna look to bink back up. No, hey Mike, I don't. I do not. They told me growing up that if I smoked, it would stunt my growth. And I still never grew, so they lied to me. I don't think he's here yet. Jesse did secure a payout tonight. It's pretty good news. Payout, payout, payout. It's always a beautiful thing. All right, right back to the opening price. I want to see us push down a little bit lower. So I'm trying to wait. Can we make it all the way down here? Hey, Raj, I was earlier today. I talked to him when he was about 30 minutes from the airport. So he should be back home by then. So have the night house so you can drop. If I take it off, it's like it's not even there. Hey, but then maybe it's the view app causing it to go up. That line right there, probably gotta remove that line too. Hey, Dollar Steve, what's up? What's up? Oh, nice. What is up with this? Back to back, no losing trades. Back to back sessions, no losing trades. Who is this guy? Man, I gotta start upping my game here. Oops. Let's see. 563 on the night. 100% win loss. Average win $93. Largest win 194. Average hold time 6 minutes. 6.74 minutes. Nice. Hey, good job on that, Dollar Steve. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get it. Raj yells at you. Yeah, more accounts, is a little bit more challenging, but maybe. I think a lot of people just like the legacy accounts because uncapped payouts, even though most traders don't make it to 6 payout, is a fact. So, yeah, I've been group trading mine recently. I have 4 groups lately. Yeah, they could do it when they have uncapped. They could. Shorting in all the accounts right now. See, I'm waiting. I'm taking the opposite approach. I'm waiting until we get down here so I can go long. Get down here, then I can peek right back up. That's my fantasy at the moment. So we'll see if they can, help me out with that. I mean, I think most traders gravitate towards the 50K accounts anyways with any firm. I think that's probably the highest selling account. That, or the next probably be the 150K accounts. Yeah, 25K, 50K, and 100K. So I'm just hoping the market makes it down there. If it doesn't, I don't have to place another trade. I want to. Nah, I don't know about that. So Take Profit Trader has a way better payout policy than Apex's legacy accounts. Legacy accounts, you got to trade for 8 days in between payouts. TPT can get payouts every single day. So I don't know that that's the case. And TPT has uncapped payouts. I don't know. 25K accounts, depending on what firm you're with, are pretty decent. Like TPT, you get $1,500 drawdown, $1,500 take profit. Fails to verify your ID. That's weird. Customer service, you gotta go to the little bot, little help bot, and just stay on there. Hey Bob, have a good night. Rest up. Nia says I used to trade 20. Hey Nia, what size accounts you get now? $50K. Come on, break that lower channel. We're right here, right back at it right now, right back at the lower channel. Yeah, 25K is easier to pass and easier to get the payout. Typically, you have to make less to pass and less to get to above the buffer. Some more will come to buy. It is higher lows right now. You see, we're kind of riding that trend line. I'm hoping it's going to break. That's why I said I'm waiting. If we don't get down here, then I won't take the long. I'll wait. Just in case we end up breaking this trend line. Do duck race at 10:30? We might, Raj. I'm getting off earlier tonight. I plan on it anyways. Let's see. Can we get 200 likes before 10:30? That's another 37 likes. Can we get actually 36? 36 more likes. So we get 200 likes. We'll do a duck race right then. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we do it? Do it. Do it. Do it. Be for an Apex account. Any account size. We good for one account. So. Sorry, Mike. I just hit the like button. Ah, sorry, BK. At least you hit it. Hey, Fight Night. He's won one or two of them. Not very many. Nightbot doesn't usually pick him either. I put him in a couple of races. Actually, Nightbot picked him maybe last night or yesterday. Gold's reaching. Yeah, gold's up 20 right now. Night never has. I'm really hoping we get down that lower band. I'm going to smack it. We get down to the lower band. Bam, 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 bam. Let's get it. Where are we at? Oh, looks like we only need 17 more likes. 17. Then we'll get the Mr. Ducky Duck race going. We'll see who's going to win that Apex account. And don't forget, tomorrow when I stream, we'll have an Apex account giveaway as well. Then tomorrow night, we'll have an Apex giveaway. Thursday morning, Thursday night, and Friday morning. So. All right, all four of our indices are up. Dow's up 2, ES up 4, NASDAQ's up 32, and the Russell's up 1. It might just be the code that the duck that uses the code Mike. Yeah, maybe. Again, if they rip it up, no harm, no foul. I'll look for another short up here. So I'm just waiting. Do we get up here or do we get down here? In the middle, I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Yep, it's higher lows. So I'm not fading it here. I'm not shorting it. If it runs up to here, I'll look for a short up here. If it dips down here, I'll buy it down there. Oh yeah, you just missed the duck race. Just missed it. Just gave it out. The winner, we had 10 winners in that duck race. In the last duck race you just missed. 10 of them. They were swimming like crazy. Hey, T Coop, first time I went to New York, I remember got dropped off at a convenience store real quick, went inside, come back out to the car. I asked the girl, I was like, why does everyone look mad? She's like, they're not mad. It's like, everyone looked ticked off compared to what I'm used to here in Florida. I'm like, everybody looks pretty angry. It's like, no, that's just normal. Oh yeah, I gotta start working on the Nightbot. Gotta start getting Nightbot in check. I already got the email pulled up. Get the Ducky Duck race. Duck race. I likes it. I'm not always live, but that would be funny. Do a 24-hour stream one day. Yeah, but hey, you're still live? Yeah. We're not done trading yet. As the stream goes on, I'll go use the bathroom break. I'll come back, put some black stuff all around my eye. By the end of the stream, look like I have raccoon eyes. Yeah, Asia and New York right now. I've been doing that. Hmm. Hey, Raj, I saw it over the weekend, though. I was actually going to call you. Then when my internet cable got chopped, it was like, uh-oh, I got some big problems now. Oh, it just really messed me up. But yeah, I seen it in there. Yeah, where'd my phone go? There we go. Oh, man. We only needed 3 likes. Now we need 5. Oh, back to 3. All right. Let's do giveaway. 2. Now, hey, so for the giveaway, when we go, all right, congrats, you guys got us there. We did it before 10:30. Let's go. All right. Hey, so here's the deal. If you want to be in the duck race, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you'll forfeit. If you don't win, hey, I won't know, so no big deal. But if you do win, you will forfeit, I promise, if you're not on the list. Next, I'm going to give out a key phrase. Spam the chat with a key phrase. And let's see what this is going to pull up. I got to make sure I get the notepad pulled up. So spam the chat with a key phrase. Nightbot is going to pick out, 10-ish people. And then I'm going to pick out, a handful of people I see in here, a lot of regulars. And we'll see who's got the fastest duck out there. All right, so are you guys ready? Let's see who Nightbot is going to pick. 3, 2, 1. Boop. Apex sale ends tonight. All right, there we go. Contestant number 1. Mongo, gonna be a contestant number 2. All right, there you go. Got contestant number 3. All right, number 4, David. I'm sorry, number 5, David. All right, let's see. Now I've learned this will work for any Apex accounts except for the no activation fees. It only works for one account. BK in the race. All right. Well, let's get it. Uh-oh. We're going to come down. Give me a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. That's 10. I'm going to let Nightbot pick 2 more. Hey, Raj, Nightbot picked you. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. And Roach. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm going to scroll through the chat and pick out a few more people I see in here on a regular basis. Uh-oh, Bob's back. All right, Bob, you have a spot? Let's see. Mr. Apple. Mr. Sports Equipment. Let's go. I want to see if... All right, let's see. All right, Jay Loves, I'll give you a spot. Let's see. I don't think he's in here, but... Not in here. All right. Hey, Beyond Limits, I'll give you a spot. Elevated Life, give you a spot. I'm hoping this market will come down here a little bit for me. If we get down that zone, I'm gonna be smacking it. Uh-oh. Hey, Raj. Hey, who am I forgetting? Ah, dang it. Dang it. I forgot. Repeat. There we go. There we go. All right. Oh, he's not in here. Hey, Raj, he's not in here. I can't find him in here. I got no worries in there already. If I don't, I'll put no worries in there. Hey, Repeat, are you in here? Hopefully he's not walking his dog again. Hey, Alley Cat, you got a spot? Hey, so I'm going to put Repeat in here. If he's not here to claim his price, it'll be the next duck that wins. Because I don't want him to come in and say, ah, dang it. Came in right afterwards. I learned the hard way. I need a new account. You just blew yours. All right, I'll give you a spot. Eric Smith, do you have a spot? I will put John in here so he can battle out Bob. See who's gonna win. Oh, there you go. Hey, I can't pronounce your name. Prabskapadia. You have a spot in the race? I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to butcher it. Finite, you have a spot? Let's see. We got quite a few people. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 25 people in here. We're trying to rip up here. Let's see. Hey, if we get up in this zone, I may look for a buy. If we get up there. I feel like I'm missing somebody. Hey, we're going to put Mike Huddleston Burner in there too. Let's go. Mongo was already in there, I think. Yeah, here's a second. All right, so I'm going to copy and paste all these names. All right, remember, first place duck wins unless they're not on the email list or they're not here to claim it. Like Repeat. All right. Let's see whose duck is going to be the fastest. On your marks. Get set. Boop. All right, let's see. Let's see whose duck has what it takes. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm in the duck race. Oh, Bob's already crowned himself. Oh, where's John at? Can I find John? I don't see John. Oh, there he is. There's John. He's got his little school cap on. Uh-oh, who's blazing out of the back? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it going to be Raj? Woo! Raj wins it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Raj never wins. Oh, love it. Love it. Hey, Raj, remember, it's good for any account. except for the no activation fees. So let me find it. Loving it. We're trying to scream it up here, huh? Hey, we're starting to get up towards that zone. I might have to swing at this here in a minute. Figure. Ooh, do I want to smack it? I may. I may. All right, I put 2 micros on. I got 2 M and Q on. Hey Raj, which account size are you gonna pick? Which account? Bam. All right, send it to you. Let's go. Let's go. $100K EOD. Oh, hey, Raj, the no activation fee won't work. It doesn't work on the no activation fee account, unfortunately. But, all right, here's my 2 MNQs. I don't have a target or anything on these right now. So I'm kind of playing it by ear. Yeah, I finally saw Raj win. He doesn't win very much at all. Hey, it's good for any account, Raj, just not the no activation fee. So you can do legacy accounts as long as you get it before 12 o'clock tonight. You can get any of the EOD accounts or intraday accounts for one account, just not the no activation fee. I had 2 people try. I thought it was going to be good for all of them, but it's not. So it's good for almost all of them. So. Hey, we're working on bar number 9 right here, too. Bar number 9. Are we coming to get it? Get it. Please. Close your MES for a small loss. Yeah, MES is trying to go up, too. Let's go look at the overseas markets. Wow, look at the Kospi. Kospi's up 4.12%. Nikkei is up 70, but it's at lunch right now. HSI is down 287. I have to do this. Let me go find it. Oh, there it is. Short. I'm short the MNQ right now. I'm down on it. Went up a little bit higher. Oops. Hey, Raj, I just sent you a message. Add new contact. Oh, saving this in my contacts. Save it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, Raj. Just did. All right. New duck race. I'm trying to push up here a little bit. Hey, so total range on the ES is 8 points. Total range on the NASDAQ right now is 68. That's horrible from what we have been seeing. And again, I like that we're in these bands. I'm thinking about adding to this M&Q. I haven't done it yet. Go back to 800. We could. We have the news catalyst tomorrow that could get some big moves. Some biggins. So we'll see. Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. Who knows? Yeah, stay broke. I'm short right now. The M&Q. 2 contracts. I'm down. I'm down on it pretty good. Down $31, $29, $32. I'm down a little bit on it. Nothing too crazy. Starts to look like it's going to turn. I'm going to probably smack it a little bit more. The up-down rule for counter. Hey, Mongo, so you can't be long and short something. So if you have 2 different accounts even, let's say you have two accounts, you can't be long in one account ES, short in the other account ES. So the way I just do is I only take 1 trade at a time. 1 trade at a time and you're good. Good. So. Market switched up like a baby mama. Oh boy. You guys are cray. Let's go. And short now. Let's see if it'll go down for us. I'm hoping for a drop. It may not though. Look at that 30-minute chart. May want to push up towards 711, which is right below this little swing point. Clearly broke from. But I'm not looking for a big move. Hey, we can. The market will make us all lose. I do like that short term we're overbought as well. See the red background? So. The market likes to take as much money from as many people in the shortest time possible. So. Get us to all go short and can just sweep all of our money at one time. Oil is back up 79. Let's go look at oil real quick. Mr. CL. Yeah, oil's right back up here. Not too far from session highs. So tomorrow should be a fun one. Up, down, all around. You have a whale indicator. It just came on. What does that mean, Mongo? Are they buying or selling? Hey, night, Trish. Hopefully I'll see you in the morning. 29,700. Probably will. Hey, see you later, Chris. What time is it? 10:40. Yeah, I'm going to jump off in a little bit. I'm going to call it a little bit earlier tonight, but I'll wait and see how this trade resolves. Yeah, it's not just you. Everybody. It happens to everybody. The market tries to fool everybody. So. TP, nice. Hey, good deal. We're just kind of hanging out up here. Right here near session highs. 30-minute chart looks pretty bullish on NASDAQ. Hopefully that's not going to be the case. Yeah, I'm green. And the Apex challenge accounts that we're doing is green, are green too. So see right here. One of these is an EOD account. One of them is a legacy intraday account. Just trying to make $200 per session. I did not accomplish the task on Sunday night. Only made 40 bucks. So accounts are up just shy of $1,000 over 5 sessions. So, and again, I could have taken more trades tonight, but I'm not trying to. I'm trying to show you guys just slow and steady. Slow and steady. Do not be in a hurry. Just slow it down. Yeah, I think tomorrow's going to be a big move, Raj. Is the way the market's been moving, I think we're setting up for a huge move tomorrow. Problem is, will it be up or will it be down? That we don't know yet. And all the trades in the evals have been taken on stream only. I've not taken any trades off stream with them. Market should be up tomorrow. It might. Hey, but even if the market is up tomorrow, let's say it is, the market's up tomorrow. Fantastic. Does it dip before it goes up? Does it dip before it goes up? GC won't quit? I'll quit eventually. That's what we don't know. Yeah, I'm only trading the VWAP, Eric. Either bounce off VWAP or VWAP bands. That's it. Now, I've taken a couple losing trades. I have not won every trade. So, I don't know if I'm calling for a head fake, John, but I wouldn't mind seeing it. I love when we get a big nasty head fake on CPI. And then Thursday, we're going to have the PPI data coming out. Now, normally I've already traded the funded accounts. How do I know Jesse? From the stream. When I used to stream at night before I started doing New York session, he used to come on the stream at night. I've met a lot of good people off of offline. Hey, Jesse, we're family too. We wanted to celebrate your payout with you, and you just left us high and dry. We've been over here crying all night long. Oh, where is my Jesse? Where's that next Eric convention? Jesse's gone drinking. Oh boy. Oh, hey, so we need some intervention. We gotta take that keyboard away from him if he's out drinking. No, hey, so the VWAP indicator I use is the order flow VWAP indicator built into Ninja. There's a couple ways you can get it. One, if you have a lifetime license to NinjaTrader, it comes with it. Two, if you have a live brokerage account with Ninja, you have access to it. Three, you can pay for the order flow package. I don't think that's the best way. Or four, you can sign up with a prop firm that has NinjaTrader prop. And if you don't want to really trade the prop firms, but you want the NinjaTrader, the order flow package, get an account with Lucid. Lucid has, you can have the account forever. You just got to trade it, make $1 or lose $1 once per month, and you get to keep the data. So Lucid, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, now Apex, all have NinjaTrader prop. So if your prop firm has NinjaTrader prop, you should have access to the VWAP indicator. I'm going to be doing a video on how to get it all set up as soon as I get off the stream tonight. So that's why I'm going to jump off here in a few minutes. Trying to wait and see if this trade's going to actually let me get out for some money. Consumer sentiment on Friday. Let's actually go look at that. Yeah, preliminary numbers can move the markets. Usually get us into a trend day. I don't think I did. Hey, Raj, I've recovered live accounts back from only having $100 to $300 of drawdown multiple times. It's hard. It is hard. Hard. Hard, very hard. I've blown up a lot trying to do it too. I didn't intentionally get it down that low, but trying to get it back, slowly grind it back. I've blown them up too, but I have been able to recover them quite a few times and actually get them back to payout status. But it's tough, man. It's a grind. At that point, man, it is so tough. So tough. Because you don't have a lot of wiggle room, so it's like you're struggling. So you're not making, you gotta build up a little bit of a cushion so that you can take a better shot. So likely holding overnight. Hey, look, we talked about the NASDAQ going to 700, 711. We're not that far away. Hey, space to see you tomorrow. No, I get the Tradeivate data connections on everything because I can be connected to multiple prop firms off the same data connection. So to me, that's better. So then got back to 1500 in green. Oh, then blew it. Hey, Atomic, I've done that quite a few times too. You get it down there, you start recovering it. You're like, yeah, whoop, bam. Son of a beep. That sucks. That sucks. That is not fun. I'm always smiling because I've been there more than once. I know the feeling. Your hopes are getting all up. Woohoo, I'm doing this. Bam, get smacked. It's like, what the beep? So. Well, hey, so with prop firms that you get the Tradeivate data connection, you can still trade it on TradingView. So if you like TradingView on your mobile phone, you can trade it off that. How many accounts have I actually blown? I have no idea. No idea. Hey, so user, what I do is I connect to my live data first, let all the charts load, and then I start connecting to each prop firm one by one after that. That's the way I do it. Oh, I've blown over 200 accounts total, for sure. I mean, you gotta realize the prop firms put you on a tight leash. Tight leash. I remember one day I was mad. I traded my account like crap. I was mad, so I'm gonna show them. I went to the prop account and blew it up. I had to work off some frustrations. Yeah, fine. I've blown up over 200 accounts. I've blown up 50 in one day. I had 50 funded accounts. 54, I think it was, something like that. 54, 56. I don't know, 50 something accounts. Blew them all up in one day. Not intentionally, but it was a bad day. So. $10 for every one funded. MEQ, we have a bubble up here. Oh, let's get it. Still staying up here about over short-term overbought. Hey, look, we have some liquidity on the NASDAQ. Let's not forget about it. 729, 750. See if we make it up there. No, hey, I have white boys. So what I do is I take a portion of my payouts and I stick it in a separate account. And when I blow up, I just dip in that account to rebuy them. So. Because just think about it as a business. You know, you need operating capital, right? You need to be able to buy more product, aka accounts. The accounts will go kaboom. How much can you get out of that widget before it goes kaboom is the name of the game. The longer you can keep the account, you know, the more money you're making too. Just by sheerly not buying more accounts. So. I seen him a while ago, Raj. A while ago. Now, hasn't been in a while. Prop firms will send you a 1099 end of the year. Assuming you made money. If you didn't make no money, you won't get a 1099. Yeah, it rotates quite a few accounts. Yeah, I mean, maybe he has, Raj. I don't know. I know when I watched it before, he had the list sorted. So it only showed the accounts in the green. So. They're still pushing this bad boy. Yeah, that's crazy, Finite. You have to open up a business bank account to trade the prop. That's nuts. No, I'm still in the MNQ right now. Yeah, it's riding the band right now. Probably get a little dip down. We should dip back down to at least the second band at some point. 689-ish. Well, think about it. Most of the profits that traders make come from SIM funded accounts, meaning your orders are not being routed to the exchange. So there is no 60-40 split. Even in the live account, you don't get the 60-40 tax benefit. You get your little 1099. That's one of the downsides of trading with a prop versus your live account. You will pay more tax on the money. Yeah, channel steep. We'll see if it starts flattening out. We should make it back down to at least this lower band. So we'll see. I usually have a trade open when I go to sleep. Almost every night. I usually have some micros on while I go to bed. That way, when I wake up in the morning, I have a chance to have more money in my account than I did when I went to sleep. Sometimes I wake up, I have less money. So. Yeah, oil's up 92 cents. Hey, Blink, I'm actually gonna do a video on that. That's one of the things I do from time to time to work on reading the markets better. Give yourself a minimum. You have to take at least push a reverse button at least 6 times throughout the course of a day and try to be green at the end. It's harder than you think. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it on tonight or not. I don't know yet. See how high up we go. $12K and a $250K account. Nice. Trump's tweets can move the markets. If you're on the right side of it, hey, it's all good. If you're not, it's kind of bad. So right now we got the NASDAQ screaming up. NASDAQ's up 74, ES up 7 3/4, Dow up 6, Russell up 1.7. So pass that account on one candle. Oh, hey Raj, what I can't do though, I don't like going to bed with an NQ on or multiple NQs. Oh boy, I can't. More than one NQ, I definitely can't sleep. One NQ, my mind's still racing. That one NQ can get pretty ugly. So when I go to bed, it's micros on. It's usually not a big position. Usually, I have had a big position on before, but I don't like it. Hey, fine night. See you in the morning. Oh, Coop. Coop's gonna be out, look out the windows all night. Oh man. Oh. Man, they're still ripping this thing up pretty good. We're breaching that third band. Shout out quotes. Oh, that's funny right there. I took a shot on the NQ. Shot short on the NQ. Came right to that 50% retracement too. See if I can get a little something out of it. A little something, something. Not trying to get too crazy with it. Yeah, Q racing in 29,730. Hopefully the race is over. $45.08. Hey Raj, tomorrow after CPI, we'll probably see some big moves in gold tomorrow too. Depending on what the dollar does with that CPI report. So. I think it's going to be vicious too. We'll see how high or how low we go. Maybe not, maybe not, Robert. We've been overbought here short term for quite a while. If you look at time base wise since 10:30, over a half hour, only a small little break. Time wise, that's quite a while. Come on, NQ. Let me get out. Let me get out. Let me get my money. Please. I've never looked into Top Step brokerage, so I don't know. No idea. Yeah, Widowmakers. Watch, now we're just going to stay up here. Market's like, oh, you want to get off early to do a video? Ah, I'm going to keep you stuck. Come on. Come on. You can do it. And just go down there and give me like 10 points. 10 points is all I ask. Or 15, whatever. Whichever you choose. Hey, we got the ES up here at the second band too. ES up here at the second in the bands as well. Joker's probably gonna stop me out. What entry is good for a short? The one after it starts going down. So I've officially put the NASDAQ on life support. Stop moving. $39 to $100. Yeah, they have hedging rules. I only go in one trade at a time in the prop account, so I don't have problems with those rules. Come on, stupid market. Come on. Come on, Joker. Back to 680. Hey, I hope you're right. Let's see 680. I'll be happy with that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I feel like the draft. Uh-oh. Stages of grief. That's a funny video. If you ever had a bad experience trading, that video is pretty funny. All right, come on. Come on, get it. Target. C185 or something. It's ridiculous. Yeah, too many people on the short side, probably. Stupid market. Come on down. I know. It looks like it wants to go back up. I'm hoping not. Hoping not. Pull out the hope strategy. That's not good. Not even make it down to a 200 EMA. Deep freeze. Hey, how do you like it? How do you like the deep charts? Hey, so how do you, can you trade live accounts with it, or is it just a charting platform? How's that work? I think you trade MFF with it. Come on, just go down. Arrhythmic. This is nuts. Nuts, 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 nuts. Should have took the 185. Should have taken it. I mean, AI does make it where you can build some cool things. They're gonna stop me out. I was up 185 on it too. 180 or 185. It's a shame. It's a darn shame. Oh boy. This market's playing me. It's like, oh, you want to get off early to do that video? I'm going to get you stuck in this trade. This joker. This joker. Yeah, the market has a funny way of doing that stuff. I see 180, 200. I might just close it. Oh, look at the ES. ES actually came down a little bit. ES trying to come down over here a little bit. Raj's like, take it. Trust me, Raj. I definitely want to, but I want to see, can we at least hit that 200 EMA first? I got my finger on the close button. I just need a little pow. Pow, pow, pow. So I can kill this trade. You go work on that video. Yeah, I hope so, dollars. I hope so. Hope you're right. Come on. Come on. Oh boy. Here. Push it down. Didn't work. Okay, maybe it needs an arrow. Go home. No, it's not going either. It's going back the other way. Yes, formed a wick on the 5-minute too. Yes, trying to go back up. Son of a biscuit eater. We need to find a way to get a hold of Trump's smartphone device so we can put out tweets at will to move the markets. Run a trade, send it. Trump be like, hey, I didn't say all that stuff. Sure you did, sir. You just don't remember. Oil's up 97 cents. Come on. Come on. That 200 EMA keeps moving up. I'm not liking it. Oh, if you need the market to go down, you just talk about how you blow them off the map. If you need the markets, if that's the markets to go down, need the markets to go up. Hey, we got a deal any minute. Expect a deal in the next 30 minutes. That market will go flying. Use AI to create a picture of Trump shaking hands with a comedian. We almost got a deal. We'll have a deal in 30 minutes. Looks like they're shaking hands. Oh boy, that market would go nuts. We're gonna come out. We did not. That's fake. He's been dead for a month. You go, oh my. That'd be pretty funny. Oh, stupid market. Come on down. Come on down. Please and thank you. Man, it's like watching paint dry. I'd rather watch paint dry. Jeez Louise. He's got to get up, go to the bathroom at some point. Go check his smartphone device. Yep. Said any hour we could expect a deal. Could expect it, didn't mean we'd get one. Any hour or tomorrow. Yeah, there is no knock knock. There's no nothing. That's the problem. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Mr. Market. Don't forget, we can be friends. Oh, boy. Am I dreaming? Did I fall asleep, guys? Am I dreaming that the market's starting to move in my direction? There we go. There we go. Let's get it. Let's go. Now I need to break the 200. Oh boy. All right. Come on, you give me 180 again. 200. It's 185 again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please, please. I should have took it. No. Don't bounce. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Gave me a shot. I didn't take it. Should have took it, Steve. Should have took it. We bounced right off the 200 EMA. Son of a beep, beep. It's not fair. Why do they do this to me? Market maker's like, let's see how late we can keep this guy up tonight. Give him a little bit of hope. Oh, pull it away. Give him a little bit of hope. Pull it away. I mean, I've just been in this boat too many times. Should have got out 185. I said 180 something. I'll get out. Maybe 200. I didn't get out. Now look, it's gonna go red. ES is going back up. Hey, Roger, it could be a dud tomorrow, but I don't think so. Yeah, ES range for the day. For the whole entire night's only 8 points. Should have got out. Oh boy. Oh boy. Why me? Stupid market. Golly, I should have taken it. You guys don't know how bad I'm kicking myself in the butt right now. Yeah, it's not even real quicksand. Wrap. It gave me what I wanted down here, and I was like, nah, I'm going to get more. All right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm not going to play it. So I'm going to leave the micros on, see if they hit while I'm overnight, while I'm sleeping. Oh boy, hopefully I'm not in them tomorrow morning. That will suck. That will not be a good night, to say the least. So, but with that being said, I'm going to jump off. Don't forget, tomorrow morning, I'll be streaming at 8 a.m. Oh, yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning. If you guys want to come join me, come hang out. Love to hang out with you guys. We will be giving away another Apex account tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will come out, hang out tomorrow morning. All right, guys, take care. And you know, if you want to stay up, hopefully you guys can watch the paint finish drying. See you guys in the morning.